everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some country cottage decor ideas for spring. Let's take a look. Country cottage decor for spring embraces a fresh, airy and cozy aesthetic that blends vintage charm with natural beauty. Here are some ideas to refresh your space for the season. Soft and pastel color palette. Use soft pastels like blush pink, mint green, butter yellow, and sky blue. Floral and botanical accents. Display fresh flowers like tulips, daffodils, or hydrangeas in vintage pictures or messengers. Use botanical prints on throw pillows, curtains, or wall decor. Light and airy fabrics. Swap heavy winter drapes for sheer, lightweight curtains. Use linen or cotton slip covers for sofas and chairs. Vintage and rustic touches and distressed wooden furniture or repurpose old farmhouse benches. Use antique style decor like animal pictures, oven baskets, and vintage mirrors. Natural elements. Bring in oven rattan or wicker baskets for storage. Use reclaimed wood accents for shelving or coffee tables. Cozy textiles. Layer soft floral or gingham throw blankets and cushions. Place a braided or jute rug to enhance the rustic charm. Chestnut wreaths and centerpieces. Hang a dye spring wreath with fresh greenery and dried flowers. Create a tablescape with a wooden tray, candles, and a bouquet of wildflowers. For house-inspired kitchen decor, display open shelving with ceramic dishes and glass canisters. Use a pastel or floral tablecloth for a spring-ready dining space. Add soft lighting. Use vintage-style table lamps with floral or linen shades. Hang fairy lights or use candle lanterns to create a warm ambience. Place LED candles inside plastic lanterns for a charming glow. Decorate with vintage finds. Incorporate old books with own covers in pastel tones for a nostalgic touch. Display ceramic or glass bottles in soft colors as simple yet elegant decor. Fresh up your bedroom. Switch to floral or gingham bed linens. Layer a light quilt or a crocheted draw for extra texture. Use an antique wooden or wood iron bed frame for a classic cottage look. Revamp your entryway. Add a distressed wooden bench with open baskets underneath for storage. Place a floral or checkered rug to create a warm welcome. And a rustic portrait with pastel scarves or a straw hat for a spring vibe. Use whimsical table settings. Set your dining table with floral pattern dishes and vintage silverware. Enhance your outdoor spaces. Place a wooden rocking chair or a wicker love seat with floral cushions on your porch. Hang a spring wreath on your front door with eucalyptus, lavender, or daisies. Use a wooden crate or galvanized bucket as a planter for spring flowers. Personalize with handmade decor. Dye a floral garland using artificial flowers and twine. Paint mason jars in soft pastels and use them as vases or candle holders. Create a spring-themed gallery wall with botanical prints and vintage-style artwork. Mix and match patterns. Combine gingham, floral, and tall prints in throw pillows, curtains, and bedding. Layer different fabrics and textures like lace, linen, and cotton for a relaxed yet elegant look. Add a vintage ladder for display. Lay a wooden ladder against the wall and use it to hang floral garlands, lightweight blankets, or vintage linens. Add small baskets with seasonal flowers like lavender or wildflowers. Incorporate bird and nature themes. Use decorative bird cages with fairy lights or candles. Use wall art with nature-inspired prints such as botanical illustrations or watercolor florals. Dress up your fireplace mantle. adds a mix of candles, potted plants, and vintage books. Hang a floral or botanical wreath above the mantel. Add an antique mirror to reflect light and open up the space. Style a charming tea station. Set up a small tea nook with vintage teacups, a floral teapot, and a wooden tray. Add a small vase with fresh flowers for a touch of springtime elegance. Use distressed furniture and whitewashed finishes. Refresh an old wooden chair or side table with white chalk paint for a shabby chic look. Swap out modern furniture for antique or flower market finds. Use mason jars and glass bottles for rustic charm. Fill mason jars with fresh cut flowers or fairy lights for a simple yet beautiful display. Use vintage glass bottles as vases for single stems of flowers. Create a hanging messenger lantern with twin and tea lights for a magical evening glow. Complete your bathroom with cottage details. Replace plain towels with ones featuring lace or embroidery. Thanks for watching the video.